how-to tutorial on coming into twisted crescent lunge. From a neutral tabletop position, step your left foot forward, raise your arms, palms facing each other. Bring your hands together at your heart center, Anjali Mudra. Begin to rotate your torso and extend your arms out, reaching out through your fingertips, bringing your gaze to look forward. Now draw yourself back to center, hands once more together at your heart. Rotate your torso, take your right elbow to the outside of your left knee, drawing your left shoulder back and bringing your gaze to look upwards. On your next breath, draw your arms up. Now press in through your back heel as you lift your back knee. Ensure that your left knee and ankle stay directly stacked in one line. Now bring again your hands together at your heart. Rotate your torso, reach out through your fingers and bring your gaze forward over your right hand. Guide yourself now back to center, hands again together at your heart. Start to draw your right elbow to the outside of your left knee, bringing your navel in towards your spine as you do so and drawing back with your left shoulder. For a deeper variation, bring your arm down towards the floor and lift your left arm up towards the ceiling or sky. Namaste.